Hey, British Columbia, Sheldon, truck hunter BC, working at Barnes Wheaton, 3050 King George Highway in South Surrey, White Rock, BC. Here with the 2022 Chevrolet Blazer RS package. Like this build, so everything's color coded, has a black trim on the bottom, the black badging, has a brushed alloy with the black pockets on the wheels. So really like the build. Inside here we've got some red stitching, the upgraded Bose stereo, the red accents to go with the red stitching on the seating. Nice big panoramic sunroof. Of course, it does have your collision alert, lane assist, as you can see, heated steering wheel. It's got heated and cooled front seats and does have navigation as well. Has your selectable driving modes, so you can switch from all-wheel drive to two-wheel drive. You also have sport mode, you have a mud and snow mode, you also have a tow haul mode. There's your parking sensors, so you can disengage them, as well as your lane assist too. But as you can see from the venting there, it's got a little bit of tribute to the Camaro as well with styling. And good room in the back seat. Does have connectivity for cell phones. Also has plug-in as well for a laptop. But a really nice layout for the dash. And going to the back here, does have a power tailgate, and there's good room in the back for cargo space. The seats do fold down as well. Actually, you can see in here, let me show you. There you go. So they fold very close to flat. That's pretty flat where I come from. And that's Saskatchewan, so I know flat. Anyways, good cargo space. Very nice vehicle. Again, it's a 2022 Chevrolet Blazer RS. We take trades, financing on site. Give me a call, British Columbia.